The Swedish Defense Materiel Administration has delivered new mobile platforms equipped with the Saab RBS 15 Mark II anti-ship missile system to the Swedish Armed Forces. Mounted on robust Volvo truck chassis, the mobile system enhances Sweden's coastal defense capabilities, offering unparalleled mobility, flexibility, and adaptability across diverse terrains. This development highlights Sweden's commitment to maintaining a modern, strategic defense posture amid evolving maritime threats and geopolitical challenges. The RBS 15 series, developed by Saab Bofors Dynamics, has undergone continuous evolution since its inception in the late 1970s. Initially introduced as the RBS 15 Mark I in the early 1980s, the missile was designed for both ship and coastal battery launches. The Mark I featured a turbocharged engine, range of up to 70 km, and an active radar seeker for precise targeting. However, advancements in naval warfare necessitated improvements in range, precision, and survivability, leading to the development of the RBS 15 Mark II in the early 1990s. The Mark II brought significant enhancements. It features an extended range of up to 200 km, allowing it to engage targets at far greater distances than its predecessor. An upgraded active radar seeker improved guidance, enabling more effective target acquisition and tracking even in complex and cluttered environments. Additionally, the missile incorporated sea-skimming capability, which significantly reduced the likelihood of detection and interception by enemy radar systems. These improvements made the Mark II a formidable tool in modern naval engagements. The high-explosive, armor-penetrating warhead added to its lethality, ensuring its ability to neutralize heavily armored warships. Adaptability to various platforms, including coastal defense systems and aircraft, further enhanced its operational versatility, making it a critical asset for defending maritime zones. The mobile RBS 15 Mark II system, mounted on Volvo truck platforms, provides a significant tactical advantage. Unlike fixed coastal batteries, mobile platforms can be relocated swiftly to optimize coverage of critical areas or evade detection by adversaries. This mobility ensures the system's survivability and readiness during high-stakes scenarios. Key features of the mobile system include enhanced transportability, durability, and operational simplicity. The Volvo truck chassis ensures reliable performance across diverse terrains, critical for deployment along Sweden's rugged coastline. The system's mobility allows for rapid redeployment, ensuring coverage of vulnerable zones while maintaining operational readiness. The fire and forget capability simplifies operations, enabling the missile to autonomously track its target post-launch, thus reducing crew workload. Furthermore, the mobile system is integrated with advanced logistics support, streamlining maintenance and resupply processes, making it a resilient and responsive element of Sweden's coastal defense. The RBS 15 Mark II has seen deployment in multiple operational contexts, enhancing Sweden's ability to deter maritime threats. Its adaptability has also made it a popular choice for export, with operators including Finland, Croatia, and Thailand. while specific details of Sweden's recent deployments remain classified. The system is integral to safeguarding the nation's extensive coastline and maritime interests. When comparing the RBS-15 Mark II with regional competitors, several key factors distinguish it from other anti-ship missile systems. For example, the Russian P-800 Onyx, the French Exocet, and the American AGM-84 Harpoon all represent formidable threats to maritime forces, but each system has its unique strengths and weaknesses in comparison to the RBS-15 Mark II. The Onyx missile, for instance, offers a higher speed and a longer range than the RBS-15 Mark II, but its targeting capabilities and flexibility in terms of large platforms are not as extensive. The Exocet, while a proven anti-ship missile, is limited by its short range and reliance on ship-based deployment. The Harpoon, a long-standing American missile, offers reliable performance but lacks the advanced guidance systems and sea-skimming capabilities that characterize the RBS-15 Mark II. One of the major advantages of the RBS-15 Mark II is its versatility. Unlike many regional competitors, the RBS-15 Mark II can be launched from land-based coastal batteries, ships, and aircraft, making it one of the most flexible anti-ship missile systems available. Furthermore, its advanced guidance systems and sea-skimming ability provide with an edge in terms of survivability and effectiveness in modern naval combat. The future of the RBS-15 system looks promising with the development of the RBS-15 Mark IV. This next-generation missile is expected to significantly enhance Sweden's anti-ship and land attack capabilities. Features such as extended range, improved targeting precision, and advanced electronic countermeasures will ensure that the RBS-15 Mark II remains a vital component of Sweden's coastal defense arsenal. Moreover, the RBS-15 Mark IV's dual-role capabilities, serving both as an anti-ship and a land attack missile, will provide Sweden with greater operational flexibility. As geopolitical tensions persist and the nature of warfare continues to evolve, the RBS-15 Mark IV will play a critical role in Sweden's defense strategy, enabling the country to adapt to emerging threats and maintain a robust deterrent posture. The RBS-15 Mark II anti-ship missile system represents a key component of Sweden's coastal defense capability.